Fit Lab Pittsburgh podcast brings you movement tips and lifestyle hacks 3 times a week. Today, we are playing the waiting game. I have a 4-hour window waiting for a repairman to come and work on my refrigerator. So how am I going to pass that time? Of course, I have lots of projects to do, but most of them involve sitting at a computer. To make movement more of a priority in my day, I'm going to set an alarm on my phone for every 30 minutes. Each time the alarm goes off, I'm going to get up and move for 1 minute. Extra challenge, each time the alarm goes off, I'm going to move in a different way. Perhaps I'll do a plank for a minute, maybe a minute of burpees. Definitely a minute of walking up and down the stairs. If you don't have stairs, you can march in place, high knees for 1 minute. Even take a walk around the block if you can go that far, and they're going to give you a text when they're on their way. Doesn't matter how you move, just move in a way that feels good to you and make movement a priority. It'll make the time go faster and it'll make you feel better. Another movement tip and lifestyle hack from Fit Lab PGH.